This video is going to be on the Oldsmobile 2001 IAC replacement. So I just picked up the part. I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Hey guys, this is the new IAC or Idle air control valve. Not a cheap piece, but you know, it's not that hard to put on. Right on the top in the front where your air cleaner goes into, that's it right here. I already loosened this one up. You just take off the electrical plug and then you undo the screws. And then the other one just comes out. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Put the screws in and just tighten it down. There's nothing to this. As you can see, it's simple to do on the 2.4 liter twin cam Oldsmobile Alero. Then you just plug her back up and let's see if she starts up. Well, there you have it. Nice idle, steady. Beautiful. Nice and steady now. That's it. That's all there is to it. IAC. So if your idle is dropping on you, you probably need an IAC valve. Idle air control valve. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.